Okay, you win. Go ahead.
I got fire, wait a minute. See fire coming out that up there.
Of where?
That red wire is going to the distributor on the little with one single wire going to the distributor cap.
It's on there.
Yeah, but see if there's any fire coming from it. Touch the wall and see fire coming out of it.
Unplug it.
Yeah, I'm talking and see fire coming from it.
Alright, go ahead.
Touch the daggone thing and see it's sparking.
Bro, what are you talking about? I thought you were trying to turn it over like that.
You want to go out there and finish it with a
Yo.
I'm going to touch the wire on the thing and get one fire coming up the damn on the wire.
Don't you gotta turn the motor over?
Don't you got to turn the switch on?
Oh,
Wow.
y'all funny, man.
We ain't got no power from the switch, my guy.
Take that red box.
Mr. Magnificent. You know every fucking thing.
Y'all need to start.
That's what I tell you to do. Touch that on something and see. Let me come over.
Okay, so I'm gonna turn the fucking key.
I don't want you to turn the key. I want the switch on.
It's on,
Okay.
cuz.
Take that. Let me do this. Cause see, but you smarter than me.
I'm about to fuck this nigga up, dog. Hey, let's move this car out of here, man. Cause we about to clear the whole fucking shop.
And you move it out, it's gonna be hard to get it back
When
in.
we get it back in there, I'll put this fucking car on top of his ass. He like working around gas now.
You ain't got to do nothing over there.
That nigga something else, boy.
Y'all need to start y'all a YouTube channel.
Oh, I'm about to start one with this nigga. Soon as I get everything from my G, I'm about
y'all need a comedy.
Matter of fact,
Yeah, but need
I'm
y'all a
about to clean my
comedy.
G up tomorrow if we make it back home on time.
And then the wire.
Oh, shit. A wire in my truck in my car.
I said, I had to damn.
How long you need it?
I didn't to go to this.
It ain't gotta be too long?
I gotta go to the credit.
How long you need it? I can go look for it.
Right here, I need to do the wire. I'm gonna make a hot wire. Right? Go to the battery.
Let's see what we got here.